Hey guys, welcome back to my Python series, and today we will learn something more about function, that how to pass arguments in a function. In previous video I already discussed what function is, how to type a function in Python, and how to make a function call. So let me just recall you that a function is kind of black box, and in which you can also pass some arguments, and it will process that arguments and will give you a result. So let's just type a code to understand in a better way that let's just say we want to add two numbers with the help of function. So let's just type the function def. Let's just say our function name is add, and here inside the parameters we will pass our arguments, and here we want to add two numbers. So here we have to pass our variables a comma b colon. So here our a comma b, so a is and b both are our variables. These are our arguments inside this parenthesis, and here inside the print statement a plus b, because we have to add two numbers. And as discussed in the previous video, we have to make a function call uh, in order to execute this. So you know how to make the function call, how to call the function name, and here inside the parenthesis now here to pass the actual variables which you have to add, actual values which you have to add. And here let's just say we have to add 2 comma 3. So what it will essentially do is our 2 is stored in a, our 3 is stored in b, and they both will be added here inside the print statement a plus b, here 2 plus 3, and here in the output let's just hit the buttons, and you can see the answer is 5. So this is how you can pass the parameters inside the function, and it will process the parameters, and then it will just give you the results. So this is how you can pass the parameters inside the function. This video was all about that, and if you have any queries, post your questions in the comment. I will be ready to answer that. Bye bye.